Hello everyone, here to present our project Dynamic Report Generation. The logistic industry faces challenges in efficiently managing and analyzing large volumes of shipment data across multiple countries. The current reporting processes are static, time consuming, and rely heavily on manual data aggregation and analysis, which limits their adaptability to stakeholder specific requirements. To overcome these limitations, an AI driven reporting system is needed for the generation of customizable reports, ensuring they are tailored to meet the unique needs of various stakeholders. Now, let me explain the solution to our problem with the help of our multi agent architecture diagram. We have created a chat application where the user comes in and asks for a specific report, and the agent will generate the report and display it to the user. At first, the orchestrator agent receives the query and redirects to the specific agent based on the user prompt whether to generate a report or format the generated report. If the user needs to create a report, it gets passed on to the entity matching agent. This agent extracts the metadata from the user's query, such as the column names and filters, and passes it to the SQL agent, which will generate a query. It then executes the query against the Postgres database and delivers results, typically in a form of Excel. And if the user wants formatting, the orchestrator agent will pass it to the Excel agent, which connects to an MCP server, which has various tools like pivot tables, cell formatting, and calculations, which will perform the user's specified set of formatting operations. At the end, the final Excel report will be generated and given to the user to download and export. So let me just show you the demo of our project using some sample reports. So this is a chat interface which we built using Streamlit. Let me just go ahead and show you some example reports. So this is the exception report with all following column names based on the office NY01. You can see the SQL query getting generated here. The output. This is the final output generated from the query. Let me just show you another example. This is a different report asking for the transit information for the account Amazon. Here you can see the information for the customer Amazon. Next, I'll show you some reports with formatting. For this, I'm going to create a volume report. Now I'm going to apply formatting for the sheet 1 with bold and italic styles and font size set to 12 and font color to blue and background color to line gray. Also, I'm trying to create a pivot table here. Let me just go ahead and change the client name with respect to client name, sum of mail volume and sum of mail weight as values. Getting generated. You can see the pivot table getting generated with the client name rows and mail volume and mail weight values. Let me show you the generated output here. You can see the pivot table getting generated here. So for the evaluation part, we have created these same reports manually and checked with the AI generated reports. That's all matching 90% of the time. So in future, we are trying to expand our project with adding few more tables to our database. Also, as of now, with this MCP server, there are very limited number of options for formatting. In future, we are trying to explore more MCP servers. Thank you.